I have a listing here in East Lake Woodlands in this kind of a hidden gem of a community called Laurel Oaks. And I'm going to show you the inside. What I love about it is, first of all, it's got 3 bedrooms, 2.5 bathrooms, and there are 2 really sweet lanais. I'm going to show you. This is the view from the downstairs lanai, overlooking the pond and the fountain, and you've got a nicely paved outdoor area for dining as well. Just inside the lanai on the first floor is this beautiful large living room. We've got a breakfast bar here, and look at this stunning, spacious kitchen. Perfect for entertaining. When you come in the front door, the kitchen is there on the right. The living room is just in front of that. And then we have a second living room with a dual fireplace that also overlooks that beautiful pond. The laundry room is there with the striped wallpaper. And then we go up the stairs where all the sleeping spaces are, plus 2 full bedrooms. This is the owner's suite. Expansive space here, plenty of room for a king-size bed, dressers, nightstands. The owner's bathroom has a beautiful garden tub, a step-in shower, double sinks, and this is my favorite right here. Look at that. Oh, this gorgeous lanai that overlooks the pond. If you're interested in seeing this beautiful condo here in East Lake Woodlands, give us a call here at the Junebug Home Team, 727-515-1664.